Hello everyone, nice to meet you. I'm Aristo again. Today I'm gonna open Percy the Tank Engine. Are you ready? Yes, I'm ready. Percy's green and they have oil the tank and also some houses, and the designs look nice, and it looks like green steam train, and his color is red, and he's number 6 and he has sand, and how they can work is made in Vietnam, and this good and also you can try that. You can take out away like this 1 2 3 in time 3, and also I also think that they have 4 and 4 is 12 wheels. 12 wheels. Are you ready to move? Yes, I'm ready to move. Bye. Please like and subscribe in my video. I hope you watch my video. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.